All right, we're at the other part of the Granite Towers, which is the original wing. These elevator banks are from 1999, as the Otis Gen 2s are from 2008. And we're joining with two of my friends today, and we got some Fujitec elevators. That is why I showed that at the beginning. Fujitec elevator in Sugar Land, Texas. Let's ride, here we go. Or what's your, oh, here it is.
It looks like almost, yeah. Oh, you can't. I don't think you can ride it, Jim. Yes.
Oh. 7's the highest we can go.
Okay. Oh, it's different. I guess it depends on the building. I think 8 you probably need a pass. Yeah.
Yeah, you need a pass. These are Fujitec elevators.
Wow. More fancy, huh?
This is the original one installed in 1999. These are your fixtures. Coming down?
Yes.
I'm just an elevator enthusiast. In case you were wondering, these are 1999 Fujitec elevators.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
I want to do one more ride if that's okay.
Yeah,
since these are original.
that's fine. Yeah,
We're riding with Joy and Manusree. What do you both think of these?
Very cool.
I think they look really pretty.
One more ride?
Yep.
Take it for another spin.
These travel 350 feet per minute. I'm watching the indicator on this side with Joy and Manusree, who's in the elevator with me. All right, down to one, end it there. The cab looks like has been redone since I last came. I can't remember. But overall, consider these are like 20 years old exactly.
It's pretty good.
These are in mint condition, I gotta
I
say.
know. Pretty good.
All right, here we are at one.
Gotta get one.
What do y'all think of that?
Really liked it.
Which are
Like
close.
you're 20 years old.
I know.
To be honest. Feel like really new. Awesome.
All right, there goes, Ann. That's it.